To make an object levitate, first we need a background picture and a picture that's slightly blurry so that the depth of field matches up. Now I'm just adding some space at the top of the photo to make room for the suspended sneakers. I simply just photographed the sneakers in my apartment with softbox light diffusers as my lighting, and now I'm just using the lasso selection tool to copy and paste selections of the sneakers onto the photo, and then I'm using the magic eraser tool to erase away at the excess part of the shoes we don't want. I'm using the magic eraser tool to erase my hands, which are obviously leaving these large indents in the sneaker, which we are going to fix with the clone tool. So now that I'm almost done with the magic eraser tool, I'm going to use the clone tool to patch up the empty hole in the shoe, and then I'm going to create a selection with the lasso selection tool, copy and paste that selection, and drag it onto the other sneaker, where I'm going to create a layer mask and use my paintbrush tool to totally erase away at the new selection we just created, and then use paint to paint it back in with white paint over black paint. And that's just clicking the layer on and off of what we just painted back in. And the last step, as always, is to bring the image back into Lightroom, where I use Civatic presets, my favorite way of editing. That's a before and after of the preset I just applied. And then I add a couple of vignettes to the picture to kind of tie it all together. Then, of course, as always, I apply my dust filter over the image just to add a cool aesthetic film look to the photo. And then I'm just duplicating that layer. This is the final image of the suspended sneakers. I really love creating these really short tutorials, so if you like them too, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, chat with me in the comments below. Feel free to also send me your edits based off my videos, and I will feature them in my Instagram stories, as I just did today with somebody. It was really exciting. I hope you guys have a very creative weekend, and I'll see you for the next video.